How to hard reset Itel A90. Step 1. Power off the device completely by holding the power button and selecting Power Off from the menu. Step 2. Once the device is off, press and hold the power plus volume up buttons simultaneously until the Itel logo appears. Step 3. In the recovery mode, use the volume buttons to navigate and highlight Wipe Data/Factory Reset, then confirm with the power button. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.